Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to manage multiple cash cards in Cash App. So for that, here's what you will need. A Cash App, the latest version installed on your phone, and a verified account and at least one active cash cards. So why use multiple cash cards? To track business and personal expense separately, to set spending limits for card, and to freeze one card without affecting the other. So how to order and manage multiple cards? Step 1 is request another card. For that, open Cash Card and then tap the card icon at the bottom. Now select Design a new card and lastly customize an order. So you may charge for additional designs for that. So here's a note. Only one active physical card is allowed at a time, but virtual cards can be managed for multiple purposes. Now the second step is to access virtual card. For that, tap the card icon and next under your cards, find your virtual cash card and then tap to view details, copy the number or freeze it. Next, rename or customize that. Go to the card settings, rename to business, to online purchase, etc. you like, and then emojis or color preference to help visual separate cards. And next, the fourth step is freeze or unfreeze or you can replace. Tap the card you want to pause, then select freeze card, and if you want a different card active, all you have to do is tap replace card. And here are some quick tips. You need to manually switch virtual cards in the app, and physical cards only can be replaced but cannot be duplicated. And also make sure your backup payments method is linked for uninterrupted transaction. And here's some pro tip. Use one card for subscriptions and another for a daily spending to avoid surprise when budgeting. And the summary is manage multiple cash cards, let you stay organized, spend smarter, and enjoy personalized control over finance, all from one app. I hope this video helped you. So like this video, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and I will see you in my next video.